Hey tech fans! If your Windows 11 machine isn't as zippy as you want, don't worry. We've got some easy cleanup tricks to boost speed and fix annoying glitches. Let's jump right in. One of the quickest wins is managing your startup apps. Too many programs launching on boot can seriously slow your PC down. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC, then head to the Startup tab. Turn off any apps you don't need to start automatically and watch your boot time improve. Now, browsers can get sluggish over time as cached data builds up. Let's clear that cache on Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. In Chrome, click the three dots, go to More Tools. Clear browsing data. Select cached images and files, set the correct time range, and clear. For Firefox, open the menu, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, then Clear History. Choose cache and the time frame, then clear. In Edge, access the menu, click Settings, Privacy, Search and Services, then choose what to clear. Select the cache files and a time period, then click Clear Now. If your File Explorer feels sluggish, clearing its history cache can help. With File Explorer open, click the three dots, choose Options. Then, under the General tab, click Clear in Privacy to refresh the cache. For internet connection issues or trouble accessing certain websites, your DNS cache might need to be flushed. Search Command Prompt, right-click it, and pick Run as Administrator. Type ipconfig/flushdns and hit Enter. This refreshes how your PC resolves website addresses and can fix network problems. Sometimes your PC slows down due to junk files. To remove temporary system files, search for Disk Cleanup from the taskbar. Pick your main drive, usually C. Hit OK, then select Temporary Files and other categories you want to delete. Click Clean Up System Files, confirm, and delete. This frees up storage and helps the system run more smoothly. Finally, if apps in the Microsoft Store won't open or install, you can reset their cache with a quick command. Close the store, press Windows plus R to open run, type wsrset.exe, and press Enter. The window will flash briefly. Then the store restarts with a cleared cache. When should you do all this? Remember, these steps are reversible, so you can always undo any changes if needed. Make it part of your routine every few weeks, or whenever your system starts lagging or apps misbehave. What if the issue is still there? Try updating Windows, scanning for malware, or reinstalling problematic apps to keep things in top shape. Thanks for hanging with us. If you found these tips useful, please like, share, and leave your questions or ideas in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our tech help videos. Until next time, happy computing.